I'm sure you've heard the news. TVs are magical boxes, right? Well, almost. Hi kids, Hank here. Let's dive into the world of TV magic. Welcome back to another episode of What the Hank. Today, we're diving into the world of TVs. So, how does a TV work? First up, let's talk about the screen. It's like a magic window. Inside the TV, there are tiny, colorful dots called pixels. When you turn on the TV, these pixels light up in all sorts of colors to make pictures and videos. Imagine it's like a super colorful puzzle. Now, what makes those pixels light up? It's a bit of a team effort. Your TV gets signals from a cable or satellite or even the internet. These signals tell the pixels what colors to show and when. Think of it like your TV getting secret messages, just like a spy. And here's a fun fact, TVs used to be super chunky, like old school cell phones. But now, they're slim and sleek, just like a ninja. Oh, and here's a dad joke for you. Did you hear about the TV wedding? The reception was amazing. Yeah, okay. So next time you watch your favorite show, remember there's a whole lot of magic happening inside that screen. That's it for today's fun learning journey on What the Hank. See you later, alligator.